How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To opt out. Sarah and Peter are at a school event. They're discussing the various activities they can join. There are so many activities to choose from. I know. I don't know if I can decide which one I like the most. Which one were you planning to join? I think I'll join the painting workshop. What about you? I'm not sure yet, but I'm considering the dance class. I heard it's a lot of fun. You can always try it out, and if you don't like it, you can opt out later. Quiz time! What does opt out mean? Choose to not participate? Choose the best option. Join something. Do something else. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. Choose to not participate. Phrasal verb secrets. Opt means to make a choice or decision. It's usually used with for or out. It's related to the word option. Out in this phrasal verb means not participating or being involved in something. It's the opposite of in, which often means join. Opt out can be used in different situations, like leaving a group, not participating in an event, or deciding not to receive certain services or information. Phrasal verb extras. Opt out is the opposite of join in. In these situations, you have the option to join and participate, or choose not to. Opt is just a normal verb which means make a choice or decide. You can opt to do something, you can opt for something, or you can opt into something. Examples. He decided to opt out of the football team because he didn't have enough time for practice. She opted out of the party since she wasn't feeling well. You can opt out of receiving promotional emails from the store. Many people choose to opt out of social media for privacy reasons. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.